Welcome to Brothers Custom Builds. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about my body. A special for my female viewers. One of you, my wife, who's not interested in my body at all. Dang it. She's going to absolutely kill me. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about the car body. We got some work to do to get this thing ready for paint and off to the paint booth. First of which is we need to build a cart. We need a cart for this thing to roll around on. Right now, the body's just sitting on the floor. So let's get a cart built. Then we need to start on some of the body repair. First is the cowl at the base of the windshield. It's got a lot of water damage and it's rusted out. So we need to repair that. Then we're gonna move to the trunk. Got some rust repair that we need to do back there. Wanna lighten the trunk lid. And then we're gonna do hood pins to pin the trunk lid down. And then from there, we've got those giant fat back tires. We need to make some room for those with those rear fenders. Want to make it look as close to stock shape as possible. So we're going to be widening the rear fenders in the back. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Appreciate your support. Let's get to work. Got the cart all done. Holds it all together nice. Well, doesn't look like a whole lot. I honestly had to apologize to the poor car for how it looks with these dinky little wheels, but it's ready for the body shop. Everything's held nice and true. Doors open good, closed good. So it's ready to get stuff like this fixed, stuff like this fixed. All kinds of little cancer issues on here. This driver's side is such a mess. It's not even attached. Got a lot of work to do here to fix all this and reconnect it. All right, what I did here was make this little brace after I had figured out my best guess of where that part's supposed to be. I made that brace, I screwed it in so that'll hold that cowl as I'm working on the other side. Well, the car's not a Democrat, so it ain't gonna get any better by just complaining about it. Let's get to work. Well, that was a nasty area. Got it all replaced. All the underside, cleared out all the rust I could, and then hit it with weldable primer, and then welded all the new piece in. Back here in the back, we cut the lip for the trunk seal off. Most of it was rusted out anyway. And then we've got some rust areas that we're gonna need to repair. What we're gonna end up doing is cutting out the bottom side, all the support of the trunk, and then run these hood pins to latch the trunk on. That way in the future, if the owner wants to do a fiberglass trunk, it'll all be set up, but just got some more rust stuff that we need to get rid of before it goes to the body shop. Also need to trim out all the framework inside the trunk lid. It's got a lot of bad cancer, but that part we want to cut out anyway. And that way the only part left will be this cancer on the outside. But it'll also very much lighten the trunk lid. It's just going to be a piece of sheet metal. We'll use hood pins to tie it into the body. Took the rusty mess off, made some nice art in each corner. And then up here also. So what I'm gonna do to keep the factory shape, I'm just gonna use this wheel well trim piece to draw out how I'm gonna cut my wheel well opening. Gosh, this is my least favorite part of the whole project. Just nasty. But we got the wheel wells cut. Now I just need to start doing some fill-in metal to tie all that in. All right, so on each side I had to cut back the rear portion of the fender, which left a big old giant hole like that, and also a rusty hole on both sides to this. Ta-da! That completes all the repairs that the owner and the painter had asked me to take care of. So now it's time to load it up on the trailer and get it off to the painter.